Hello, so in this tutorial we're going to be working through the Gable Box die set. Now the Gable Box die set was already in the collection, so we have an additions to this one, which is a brand new panel set. Now I absolutely love this one, so we're going to complete the rest of this Gable Box here. So you'll be needing the Gable Box die set, and I have some flowers already ready to go and some leaves and the labels as well. So we're just going to work on this today. So let's quickly move this one aside. And we're going to use these large panels here. So let's get these popped on. So you're going to be needing a large format die cutting machine for this project. So I'm just making sure my flowers are the right way around, because on this one they're going downwards, which looks okay, I think. But on this side we're going to have them going upwards, and let's see how they look that way around. So let's get that taped in, and then we can run that through the die cutting machine. Okay, so on this panel I'm going to do it slightly different. I wanted to show you what it was like with the back panel, which would be this one here, which you do get the dies for to do that. This is just glued on the back like that for all of those shapes, but I just wanted to show you that you can do it differently. So you'd cut a panel like this, and then you'd recut in the intricate panel here on top, and then you can pop this on top just like that, and then you'll have a completely different effect, and you can add some vellum behind it and you can use that as a lantern. So let's get all of these glued on. So I have one for each panel here. Okay, so that is what it looks like if you do it the different way. So there's so many different looks that you can get with this die set. So let's get these now glued together. So we're just going to simply cut that over. So as I have this on show, we can just cut down that panel. Where are my scissors? I'm making a huge mess beside me, and I know that I'm not the only person that does that. So I'm just going to trim that down the best I can, and then pop that on there. I'm just going to leave that to dry. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is fold this side over, add my glue here. I don't have to worry about this side because it has the backing. I am going to go straight up to the corners of the edge though, just to make sure that my Gable Box is put together nicely. So it's best to leave that just to dry just for a few minutes before we start folding in the bottom section. Okay, so here we have our Gable box now. So this is just my experiment. You don't have to do it half and half, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like half and half. I'm sure you've got plenty of ideas on how you could decorate yours. So let's carry on with decorating this now. So I have here some elements from the Gable box die set, so I can glue that onto the front. So I'm just going to add some glue onto the flowers there and pop that on, so I can quite easily put a sentiment on there now, a die cut sentiment of my choice. And then here we have some flowers as well. They do kind of blend in, so I'm going to add them probably around here. If you want to ink them to get a little bit more contrast, you can do. I'm going to add just some leaves there. Oh, this has come apart. Let's get that glued together again. Okay, so that is the Gable box and the Gable box floral panels die set. Now I think that looks really pretty, and it will make the perfect lantern or gift box or anything you want to use it for.